Today we want to continue our discussion on our surge protection product line and discuss installation procedures. Installation procedures are very, very critical to obtain the optimum performance for the device that you just purchased for your electronic or electrical equipment. Installed improperly, our products are no better than any other products on the planet. And in our surveys around the world, we see a huge disparity in how products are installed. Since the inception of our company back in the late 1980s, we've always been very particular about installed products, installing them as properly as possible with optimum conditions. Why? Units that are installed improperly, for example with long lead lengths, decrease the performance of the device itself. In fact, just recently in the ANSI C6272 2016 publication, there's a significant portion of the document that discusses installation, proper installation and coordination of devices, really specifically talking about lead length. And if you look at our products that would come to you, you see they come with approximately 18 to 20 inches of wire on there. And many people ask, well, if you don't want them installed with more than 6 to 8 inches or 15 to 20 centimeters, why do you send so much wire? Well, not every installation can be optimum. Sometimes you have to make the best of a not so good situation. So thus we have the wires as they come. Now, our installation instructions discuss very specifically short, straight leads, no sharp 90-degree bends. So if you're able to install on the panel like this, you can keep the leads short. Doesn't matter where up and down the panel it goes at any point on any breaker. Or if you're going to install perpendicular or parallel to the box, then slow sloping leads like this, no 90-degree bends. Now, the reason we really make a big issue out of short and straight is that for every extra inch of wire, or 2.5 centimeters, you have the potential of raising the let-through voltage 15 to 20 volts an inch. And at a service entrance device that's taking a major lightning strike, that voltage could go up to 45 to 70 volts per inch of wire. So it's very critical that you get short and straight leads. Again, not every installation is optimal. So one thing we have discovered and began to discuss and promote is the actual braiding together of the phase wires and phase and neutral wires. And we found that can reduce the, especially on single phase devices, up to 20 to 30% lower the let-through voltage. So very important installation, short, straight leads as possible. And once the unit is installed, the ground and neutral are connected properly, and you turn the breaker on, you'll see 3 operational indicators. This is a 3-phase device. With all these 3 LEDs illuminated, the client can be sure that his connected load are protected. Now, at any point in time one of these LEDs go out, one or more, the unit needs to be disconnected, photos taken off of the unit, and contacted our office or the local distributor for replacement. Because for up to 25 years, this device is guaranteed to not fail against any electrical anomaly, including lightning. So again, very important for the proper operation of the equipment that the unit is installed properly. We also have series devices. This unit here is our 15 amp series device, sold in the USA only. And if you notice, it has terminal strips input and output. This unit is rated at 15 amps. So we take the voltage in, voltage out, perfect for control panels, control voltages, security alarm panels, robotic control voltages, PLCs. But interesting about this unit is, even though it's connected in series, the suppression components inside are in parallel. So that means if the unit were to fail, voltage will still be supplied to the connected load. Now, this unit can also be installed in parallel by merely connecting a set of 3 wires to the input of this device. It then becomes just like the parallel panel unit, in that you want to keep the leads as short and straight as possible. Short and straight improves the performance, and it improves it significantly.